Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Kashish. Today I am going to help you with the sound G in Spanish. Letter and sound in Spanish. Hoy vamos a hablar de letra G. As I told you that G is a special letter in alphabet, so it has different sound. So today we are going to discuss about that sound. So we have rule number 1. When G comes with A, it will be its sound will be like gato, gato, ga, g. This will be g, and this will be ha. This will be ha. So g plus a, gato, gato cat, rogar, rogar, to bag. Then this O, g with O will be gordo, lago, lago, gordo, lago. It will be g, not gordo, it will be gordo. Then g with U, it will be guapo, handsome. Agua, agua. See, we are pronouncing U and A also. Guapo, handsome. Agua, water. Guatemala is a country. Guatemala. Okay. But when this G comes with E and I, it will be gente. G-A-N-T-E. Gente. It will be like we say H in English, it will be like that. We will say it gente. G-A-N-T-E. Gente. Gente means people. A gente. A gente. Agent. General. General. It will be general. Okay. When it comes with this G comes with I, it will be registro. 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 This is not registro, it is registro. Argentina. 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 It is not Argentina, it is Argentina. Inteligente. Inteligente. Gente. This is name Guillermo. Guillermo. You and I. Guillermo. Right now we are pronouncing Guillermo. Okay. Now you listen here. I am not pronouncing this Guillermo. Guillermo. So it is not Guillermo. We will not pronounce this U. We will pronounce Guillermo. This comes under in rule number 2. Then rule number 2 is when this G comes with U and E and or U and I, we will not pronounce this U. We will not pronounce this U. For example, if it will come in a word like this G-U-E, G-U-I, then we will not pronounce it. For example, Mane Guera. We will not say it Guera. We will say it Mane Gera. For example, M-A-N-E G-U-E-R-A. It is not Mane Guera. It is Mane plus Mane Gera. It is a type of pipe. Jose. It is called Jose. Mane Gera. And then if it will come with I, okay. For example, G-U-I-T-A-R-A. Guitara. I can't say it Guitara. I have to say it Gitara. 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 It is not Guitara. So we will not pronounce U. Okay. Like this is it is not guia telefonica, it is not guia telefonica, it is Gia telefonica, Guia, it is not guia, it is Gia, we will not pronounce this U. So now the thing is that I am going to erase this. Okay. So this is rule number 3, we will not pronounce this. This is rule number 2, we will not pronounce U. Now rule number 3 is, but if you see something like this on U, this is called diaresis. Diaresis. If you have something on this like E or GUI, so we will pronounce the U. Okay. For example, vergüenza. Okay. For example, vergüenza, we are pronouncing it vergüenza, we are pronouncing here, it is shame. Okay, we will pronounce this. And if, for example, if it is like that, okay, if it is like that, then what we will say? We will not say it arguir, we will not say this arguir, it is arguir. This is vergüenza, we will read all the vowels together. Okay, vergüenza, vergüenza. Okay. So we are summing up where we are pronouncing G, where we are not pronouncing G. So I am just writing it again. First was that G plus A, it is ga, G plus O is go, for example gordo, and G plus U is gu, gutural, guitarra, it is g. Basically we will use it g. Okay. And then second we will go G plus E and G plus I, we will say it ge, we will say it he or he, it will be ha, it will be ha. And rule number 2 is, when G comes with U and I and G comes with U and E, we will not pronounce U. U, we will not pronounce it. It will be gi, it will be ge. Okay? We will not pronounce U. Where we will pronounce U? This is rule number 3rd. If we see anything like this dot, diaresis it is called, on GUE, if it is there, then we will call it, we will pronounce this U. Vergüenza, vergüenza, it is not vergüenza, this is vergüenza, shame. And then arguir, it is not arguir, it is arguir. Okay. So we will remember this, that G we can pronounce in a different way with different vowel, and there are certain rule which we pronounce like this. I will be explaining in other lesson that when two vowels come together, we have to pronounce, not in case of G, but in other consonant also we will pronounce it together. And one more thing I would like to tell you, in Q also, if QUI is coming together, then we will not pronounce this. For example, queso, paneer, we will not pronounce this. Okay. We will not say it quiero. We will not say it quiero. We will say it quiero. In K also. G and Q. A little bit example I am giving you. Q also. Q-U-E-S-O. Q-U-I-E-R-O. We will not pronounce this U in this. It is not queso. It is queso. K. So. Queso. Quiero. This is quiero. Quiero. So we will do like this. I hope I am able to make you understand this. I am so sorry if I missed something. It was little tricky for me also. It took me so much time to understand this. I hope I explained it very well. If I missed something, please tell me in comment section. Please subscribe, share, and let me know if I can improve anything in this. Let's learn together. Thank you so much.